Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, I'm excited to take you on a walking tour of Cabo Frio, a beautiful coastal town in Brazil that's full of hidden gems. From pristine beaches to historic landmarks, Cabo Frio has something for everyone, and I can't wait to show you around. But before we get started, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please click the like button below. It really helps me out and lets me know that you're enjoying what I'm creating. All right, now let's get back to Cabo Frio. This charming town is located in the state of Rio de Janeiro and is known for its beautiful beaches and historic architecture. As we walk through the streets, you'll see that Cabo Frio has a unique charm that's hard to resist. One of the hidden gems of Cabo Frio is the Forte Salmadius, a historic fort that dates back to the 17th century. This impressive structure is situated on a rocky outcrop overlooking the sea, and it offers stunning views of the surrounding coastline. As we explore the fort, you'll see the cannons that were used to defend the town from invaders, as well as the small chapel that was built inside the fort. Next, we'll head to Praia do Forte, one of the most beautiful beaches in the area. This stretch of golden sand is perfect for swimming and sunbathing, and the water is crystal clear and refreshing. So if you're planning a trip to Brazil, be sure to add Cabo Frio to your itinerary.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!